see what's happening on the screen.
Oh,
I just
recording.
yeah. See, I don't know if you see a clear image of the screen because it's not in the direct focus. I think I should put it next to my face here. But you see, while I am talking, what
It's
happens?
recording your words?
It's recording everything I say with interruptions and. You can delete that later on by copying the text and put it in a Microsoft Word. But it's really interesting. Like it literally, transcribe every single word. Like, look at it. I'm talking to you right now, and it just literally finished up 2.5 pages of text. Do you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay, now talk, and it's going to directly record your speech. Just talk.
Okay. Hello, how are you? Are you hearing me? Yeah, it's interesting.
It's really recording all of that. So it's quite interesting. Like this is amazing thing that helps you a lot if you are into like because you have very smart mind, and what happens is that sometimes your handwriting is slower than your mindset or mind thoughts, and you just need to type very quickly. And a lot of people actually are not tech savvy. Tech savvy means they are